Welcome back to the channel. You might be trying to get into affiliate marketing and wondering which platform is best. Should it be ClickBank, Warrior Plus? Should it be Impact Radius, the Commission Junction, Awin? There's a lot of different marketing platforms, and we're going to talk about all this. And I'm going to give you my opinion after making about $550,000 with affiliate marketing. Which ones work best for me, but they may not work best for you. I'll just give you an overview of these marketing platforms. So we come over here. You can actually look. So the best affiliate marketing platform, it really does depend on individual needs and goals, but some consistently rank high. ClickBank is one of the first affiliate marketing networks out there that is going to be thrown at you and suggested to you. It primarily focuses on digital products, so you don't have to worry about shipping. You can just find a product, research it, and get traffic. ClickBank is really popular for affiliates, professional level affiliates that specialize in paid traffic, and those are going to be some good products there because you get data that tells you what the refund rates are on different ClickBank products. You can go for low refund rates, a good commission per sale, and then dial in your sales pages or landing pages. Then you can start running ads and making a commission on that. But you're going to have to do a lot of testing. It's going to cost money to do that testing in order to turn a profit. It's going to cost money to get that traffic. So you want to make sure that you're making sales before you deplete. If you're selling a $30 product, but it's costing you $50 to acquire that sale, then you're not making money. You're actually losing money on that. So that's a big one though. ClickBank, go take a look at that. You've got Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, and there's Amazon Associates. There's a lot, and they all serve different purposes. We can come down here and open up an article. This article actually has Awin, Partner Stack, Amazon Associates, Walmart affiliates. So it depends on what your niche and your category is that you're actually creating content on. Now, if you're creating content on physical products, then Amazon Associates and Walmart affiliates are going to be some of your best ones because they have a plethora, a massive amount, millions of products. You can do product reviews, create videos on, create blog articles on, create TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, any way that you want to go out and get traffic. And then you'll increase your chances of growing that organic audience, and you can show yourself using the product. If people are intrigued or they're like, okay, that's exactly what I wanted that product for. Cool. This person answered my question. I'm going to click on their link and buy this product. That's how you would make money from that standpoint. If you're getting into the make money online niche, which is what I have two main niches. One is the make money online niche, which you would think of as ClickBank and Warrior Plus and JVZoo and all that. And then I have my other side that is software reviews, where I usually am directly related with that software and they pay me directly into my PayPal account. So I do tutorials on a specific piece of software. If someone likes what they see in the tutorial, they can click the link, purchase the software, and the software company pays me directly. Getting directly affiliated with a company, and that's very powerful. They use a lot of other platforms like First Promoter to run their affiliate programs, like SaaS companies. So First Promoter, and then they just pay you through your PayPal. So there's a lot of things that you can do. I'm going to show you some proof on some of this stuff. I do use Amazon Associates. I don't really use ClickBank, but that's probably the most popular one for digital products. One that I really like to use is Warrior Plus. You can see I haven't even cleared this out. We've got over 2,500 sales notifications. This is my account where you can see it's 10:42 a.m. This doesn't show the year, but it's July 21st, 2025. You can see from just selling some products here, like this ebook writer AI, made $7,500, right? A 56% conversion rate, which is just literally unheard of. 310 sales right there. Only sent 550 real organic traffic, and that's what I like to teach. And we made over $7,000 from one YouTube video, and that wasn't on this channel, it was on another channel. So this is a really good one that we can go into. I know a lot of you are interested in how you can make money with Warrior Plus, and I have a solution for you. Look at this. When I hover over this, you can see affiliate sales are $8,242 as compared to vendor sales. I only made $49 with vendor sales, right? So I'm not making all this money. A lot of times you'll see Warrior Plus people and their vendors, and they'll show you their really crazy numbers in here over the last 30 days. And they'll show you like, 30,000, 50,000, 60,000. But most of the time, what I'm seeing is that they're vendors and they did a big giant launch and you need to take what they're making and actually cut it in half. It's probably more than that because they're usually promising affiliate prizes and bonuses. So if someone's showing you $30,000, make sure that they hover over and actually show you that it's either affiliate commissions or vendor sales. I think more times than not, when you're seeing $20,000 to $30,000 right here from most people doing affiliates with Warrior Plus, they're actually vendor sales. You have to take that with a grain of salt because what they're showing combines affiliate commissions and vendor stats as well. So if you're selling products on Warrior Plus and having other affiliates help go out there and sell your product, you would take this number and divide it by half, then probably take another 10% off of that. A lot of times they're partnered with people too. So even half of that goes to somebody else as well. A $30,000 impressive the last 30 days might end up being only about $10,000, which is still great money, way more than full-time income for most people in the entire world. But it's not $30,000. We take that with a grain of salt. And that's why I like to show you right here, like we're making money. This is 100% affiliate commissions right here today. Affiliate sales, $221 right there. Yesterday, $175 on a Sunday. Didn't do anything, didn't work, still made $175. Haven't published a video in 3 weeks or promoted a product in 3 weeks on Warrior Plus, still making this kind of money right over here, okay? So this is definitely one of my favorite platforms. You wanna be careful on how you pick out products to sell with Warrior Plus. You don't want to just go out there and, they're coming out with this product. They're coming out with this product. What I show you and what I teach you in my community and in this course right over here, I just launched this particular course today. I added this to my YouTube affiliate accelerator community. And that's what I teach you in this community, how to build simple YouTube faceless channels. You don't have to be on camera. You can record your screen easily and build a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. Throw some affiliate links in your description and boom, you start making affiliate commissions. I show you exactly how to do that in all these different courses. You get access to everything. Come and join. But right over here, this launch jacking course, specifically to this video I wanted to show you, this is launch jacking 2025 proof and update. I added a 17-minute video recorded today, and it will show you how I made $8,000 from one YouTube video. And this stuff straight up works. Imagine if you spent at least an hour to 2 hours per day, Monday through Friday, and you put that effort into this in 90 days to 6 months, you could actually start making $100 a day with this business. Most people give up way too early, and that's why I don't see the results. They go and they do a launch jack. Their video didn't rank in the top 10. They only got a couple clicks. They didn't make any sales. Then they give up and think this strategy is garbage. And that leaves more room for you and I, the people that are actually going to focus, take this as a serious business opportunity and go out there and actually make real money. You have to be consistent. You have to take the good with the bad. You also have to be willing to create content and not make any sales and then come back the next day and go for it again. You can actually make $8,000 from one video or more. This is just proof right over here as well. So this is a brand new update video showing that, because I created this course 2 years ago. It's a full-blown case study and instructions. I do not leave one stone unturned. I tell you every single thing to do, how I create custom bonuses, how I deliver those bonuses, how I collect email addresses and build my email list every single time I do an affiliate promotion. Because generally, when you make an affiliate sale on Warrior Plus, the vendors just continue to get more powerful. Every time they do a launch and the affiliates go out there and make sales for them, the vendor gets all of those emails and the affiliate is left in the dust and they don't get those. So what you want to do is put an access wall, like a gateway. In order for someone to get your custom bonus, they have to exchange their email address, and it works like gangbusters. So that's how I do that. And this is actually how you want to go and take a look at this one right here. This is a 52-minute video. We'll teach you everything you need to know about how to launch, how to rank, do a product promotion with one video, how to rank it, and how to make sales, how to put your custom bonuses together, the whole enchilada. And that is this course I just uploaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 courses inside the classroom library. This one is not free, the Affiliate Profits Academy. That's a 10-hour course that does cost money. I think it's priced at $199 or $299, something like that. But you get access to all other 8 courses, plus you get access to all the live Zoom calls right over here. I teach you everything, how to do keyword research, how to title your YouTube videos, how to do SEO for YouTube, how to create thumbnails, how to research your niche, how to just do all kinds of stuff. We have it all in there. This is the community right over here. I want you to know that the price is $27, but the price is going to increase to $67 August 1st. So I'd love to have you come in, join us, join our community of people that are like you, that want to leave their 9 to 5. They want to build a simple YouTube channel where you don't even have to be on camera. You can create simple tutorials, build an audience, and you can make money all kinds of different ways. You don't have to do the Warrior Plus thing. You can pick a software, for example, and make 30 videos about it, how to use it, different ways you can use it, different tutorials, and so forth. Start driving traffic, and you'll put that link in your description and people will click on it because you're giving such high value, and that's how you start making money. So please come join YouTube Affiliate Accelerator before the price increases by 2 to 3 times as much. Now, there's other places that you can go as well. And I'm surprised that on these people's list, like I've never even heard of Pepper Jam. They even have stuff on here that I've never heard of. And I've been doing affiliate marketing for, and then we come over here, they don't even have Impact Radius, which is a massive affiliate marketing place where we make money. You know, we make quite a bit of money. We come over here into home. I've only made like $10 today. We have almost $5,000 total pending payout right now. And what you can do is I have another program that uses this software, this affiliate marketing platform to build their affiliate marketing, put their products on there and actually pay their affiliates like me, one of their top affiliates. And what I'll do is I'll go and grab a link, for example, AppSumo. I'll place that right here. I'll say create, and it actually creates the landing page affiliate link that I go out, create a video, do a software review on. And then when people click that specific link, it takes them over to that page. They buy it, I get paid a commission for that. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, if we come over here and start discovering brands or products, we can come over here and start looking how many brands do they have. So we can click on all brands right here. We have 7,567 roses changing on a daily basis. You could come in here and go into categories and say, what am I looking for? Let's just say that you have a YouTube channel, a bed and bath. So I would just click on this and you'd have all these companies right over here, legitimate companies. You can see the pricing that they give you per time you make a sale, the different commission that you share and so forth. So you can even separate it by payout model, all kinds of stuff. So there's a ton of affiliate marketing networks out there. And just to end with this, there is no perfect platform. It really is just going to, at the end of the day, you're going to want to determine what niche you are in or want to go into. Is it physical product heavy? There's a lot of physical products on this one as well. I recommend personally, if you're asking me, Impact, because they have almost 5,000 brands you can choose. And they're big brands like Nike and so forth. Big brands use this software to pay out and to run their affiliate marketing platform. If you want to get into the make money online niche, I definitely recommend ClickBank and Warrior Plus, like I showed you over here. Those are going to be some really good ones where there's going to be new products launching all the time. Specifically, I would go into Warrior Plus. If you want supplements, fitness supplements and so forth, ClickBank's also another good one. So those are going to be some of the ones you want to really look into. That's what I do from affiliate marketing. I make most of my affiliate marketing income from the ones I've shown you, Impact Radius, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. You can also make a lot of money with Amazon affiliates and Walmart. Just identify what type of products you're selling. If they're physical products, I would recommend Amazon and Walmart, or trying to work out a direct affiliation with the company so they can pay you a higher commission. But if you're doing digital products, especially if you're in the Make Money Online, Warrior Plus is going to be the best one, followed by JVZoo and ClickBank. There's Digistore24 as well. There's a lot of them, but that's the biggest tip I can give you. There isn't really a number one best one. A1 is a popular affiliate marketing platform with over 16,000 merchants and 225,000 affiliates. If you really want to go in there and get massive amount of products right over here, I showed you Impact Radius. They have 5,000 products. You have 16,000 products and merchants in here. So maybe AWIN is a good one as well. You get a greater global reach, but then low minimum payout, right? So you have all this. It is a $5 sign-up fee. That's kind of interesting. You have Partner Stack is going to be a lot more related to those direct kind of one-off softwares. For the most part, there's over 200 programs in the network. You can read through here. I don't think there's one size fits all. Chances are if you're an affiliate marketer, you're not going to be using just one of these affiliate platforms. You're going to be using probably a combination of them. I shared my combo with you, showed you proof of earnings on how I'm making money on multiple platforms and how you can do the same. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Make sure before the price goes up, at least go and check this out. Come in while it's at the lowest price it's ever been and ever will be. The price increases in just a couple of weeks, $27 a month. You get access to immediately get access to 8 courses right here and probably 50 to 60 hours worth of training Zoom calls as well. Plus, you get access to the community. You can ask questions. You can see how people are making money as an affiliate, how they're signing up as a Canva affiliate, how they're making, down here, we have members making money, $217, Bettina right there. And I show you my journey on how I'm able to make $1,600 in one day. Sometimes when I haven't checked my PayPal account in a while, I log in there and I see $11,000 just sitting in my PayPal account because that's coming from all those affiliate commissions that software companies are paying me. So you can learn from somebody that actually goes out there and builds a faceless YouTube channel, not like all the gurus are teaching you to do with all the fancy video editing. That's not what I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you how to build a YouTube channel where you're just doing simple screen recordings, giving away high value. And then it's a skill set that you're going to get really good at to where you're going to be able to create, record, edit, and publish a YouTube video in less than an hour. You can do that 3 to 5 days a week and just continue to do that. I believe in the compounding effect, meaning that when you look at things and success one day after the next, you don't really get a whole lot of results. But when you start looking at things, what habits have you formed in the last 6 months? Have you done this 3 to 5 times a day for the last 12 plus weeks? That's when you start getting real income into your pocket. You have to start somewhere. You can't give up just because you posted 5 YouTube videos and only made $5. You can't give up. This does work. I'm living proof of that. I'm just a normal, everyday, average guy, and I've been able to make $500,000 with affiliate marketing. So come join me. I'd love to have you as our next member in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator community. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.